Hello, my name is Jack Haniger with the City of Houston Office of Public Safety and Homeland Security. The Houston Living Lab is a collaborative effort hosted by Houston First, accommodating solutions provided by 11 manufacturers and software developers. This concept of proven and evolving technology affords research and development opportunities to the providers while delivering capabilities to public safety professionals. I'm now going to introduce Tom Cantrell of Axis, who's going to talk a little more about their involvement in the Houston Living Lab. Tom?
Thanks, Jack. Axis is extremely excited to be a partner in the Houston Living Lab. Today, there are roughly 1 billion professional surveillance cameras in the world, all creating and collecting enormous amounts of video data. I'm sure everyone remembers a few years ago when big data was the trend. Well, we've achieved it. Now, all of this data has created a lot of noise. And instead, the value is now in useful data. Cameras can provide overwatch capabilities to operators during critical events and can also run video analytics directly on the camera to immediately bring a situation to a viewer's attention. A few examples we're using in the Houston Living Lab today are vehicles driving the wrong way, large crowds gathering in a particular area, or even listening for glass breaking, car alarms, or other aggressive behaviors. Enabling smarter devices through AI and analytics allow the cameras to now serve multiple purposes and provide actionable, useful data instead of just viewing what happened, becoming much more proactive rather than reactive. It's important to remember the foundation for successful video analytics starts with the quality of the camera. It's often said bad data in equals bad data out. Since the image is the raw data source for video analytics, high quality image processing is crucial. This is true whether the analytic is running on the camera on the edge, a server on premise, or being streamed to the cloud. However, as mentioned earlier, running at the edge on the camera can bring the added benefit that the analytic is using uncompressed video, which can help increase the quality of the analytic. Starting with the best quality video enables both users and other systems to produce better results. An open platform and ease of integration to these other systems is another important factor when choosing cameras and sensors when building out your own smarter ecosystem. And next up, I'd like to introduce Jen Russell with EAGL Technology with just such a sensor.
Thanks, Tom. EAGL Technology is the only indoor, outdoor, and body-worn wireless gunshot detection technology in the industry. This science was initially developed by the Department of Energy after the Sandy Hook tragedy with the realization there were no accurate or affordable gunshot detection and emergency notification solutions available to respond to the ongoing active shooter threat. What makes EAGL different from the other gunshot detection technologies is that these sensors measure a very distinctive energy event and waveform that is created by the discharge of a firearm, which also helps to eliminate false alerts. Once the sensors or group of sensors shown here on the left alert for gunfire, the EAGL server will autonomously activate a series of pre-programmed protocols within seconds of shots fired. These programmed responses include calling 911 dispatch, sending emails, texts, and conferencing SWAT and first responders. The EAGL server can also lock doors, geofence a shooter, activate cameras, affect lighting, all to form a more coordinated response to an active shooter threat. The reduction of response times that EAGL provides has been proven to reduce casualty rates and also protect responding law enforcement and first responders. EAGL is a proud partner of the Houston Living Lab and is currently deployed in Houston Living Lab inside George R. Brown Convention Center, outside the pedestrian walkway, and outdoor around Discovery Green. I am now introducing Chip Wilson with Milestone.
Thank you, Jen. And Milestone as a video management system is all about the open platform. We represent the underpinnings of this initiative by acting as the security engine for video and other technologies to tie together and to be shared. What open means is making it easy to pull other technologies' information into the Milestone system, making it easily searchable and actionable along with video. That, or allowing the video that we manage to pass through to other technologies very simply, or both in some cases. What you've heard today is all about collaboration, sharing of resources, and how to build a better city together. Now I'd like to pass this over to Lou Gallo with MediaTek.
Thank you, Chip. The Dell Security Operations Center shown here combines the best of breed technology with robust mission critical applications created by others. They're experts in their field. This solution provided by Dell is hosted at the George R. Brown Convention Center. The Dell Security Operations Center utilizes the latest in streaming technology to deliver 4K content from any workstation to any display. If desired, this content can be distributed anywhere on the network for remote viewing. Up to 6 channels of content can be displayed individually or expanded across all video wall displays. Dell solutions are designed for 24/7 environments such as emergency centers, crisis management rooms, and operation centers. With a consistent system architecture, the Dell Security Operations Center lets you focus on solving critical challenges, enable more powerful decision-making, and improve situational awareness. I'd like to introduce Doug Pedlin at Haystax.
Thank you, Lou. If you look at the monitor in the top right, you'll see that Haystax is a situational awareness platform that allows Houston to share data across jurisdictions and across disciplines. We provide a visual map interface, and when combined with Milestone's power of processing and the versatility of the Dell SOC, our customer Houston leverages the technology to manage and make decisions in and around the George R. Brown Center. On the map display, Houston can see police, fire, EMS calls for service, ways, road hazards, along with other critical infrastructure and key resources in the area. And going to the screens on the bottom right, when Houston needs to, they can deep dive into individual assets, seeing cataloged information, looking at points of contacts, where fire lock boxes are, maps, and detailed assessments conducted on the facilities. At the same time, leveraging the screen next to us with the Milestone images, thereby sharing that data quickly and easily. And with that, I'll turn it back over to Jack Annegriff.
The Houston Living Lab is made possible with hard work and provided resources from all involved. Everyone is committed to its success by supporting public safety as a whole. To find out more about the Houston Living Lab and all the smart city initiatives in Houston, log on to houstontx.gov/smart city. Thank you.